Today's Monday's lessons, and I'm only just going to go over two of these sections, so I'm not going to go over the first one, what is the place value. I'm not going to go over compare and contrast, expanded form. I'm not going to go over find the sum. I'm going to let you guys do. I'm going to do find the difference. We do have a assessment on finding differences. Now, this is a smaller number than what we're going to be doing, but it's still applicable. I'm going to let you guys find the product and quotient, and I'm going to help you guys find the product when you multiply by 10. So I'm going to take this 856 minus 387 on the back. Let me just double check. 856, and I'm going to subtract it by 387. Alright, so we get to use the standard algorithm in 4th grade. So the standard algorithm is can you subtract your ones? 6 minus 7. I can't. So I'm going to have to regroup. This 5 tens becomes 4 tens. And then the 1 10 I took away becomes 10 ones. So I add it to the ones already. So I have 16. So 16 and 7 I can subtract. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to wait till all of it is complete before I do my subtraction. 4 tenths minus 8 tenths. I can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup my 800s, turn it into 700s, and turn the 4 into 14 tens because I added 10 to it. Now I can subtract them all. 16 minus 7. If you guys are struggling with your facts, what I like to think of is if I was minusing 6, it would be 10, but minus 7 would be, so that 16 minus 7 would be 9. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 469. And that's how I got my sum, or no, my difference of 469. Alright, now when I'm finding the product, when I'm multiplying by 10, what am I really doing is I'm changing the place value. Instead of having 3 tens, I'm going to be multiplying by 10s. And when we learned our MBT1 is you're changing the place value. So instead of having the 3 tens, you're moving it over because we know that when we skip place values, 1 to the right is 10 times the value. So we have 3 tens and we're timesing it by 10. So we're moving it over 1 to the right, and now we'll have 300s. Same with 450, 300. 450, you're going to move everything over. So you can't move over 0, but you can move over the 5 tens to the 500 side. And then the 400s become 4,000. 900. When we move over, we put it in the 9,000 slot, and there's nothing we need to move over because it's zeros. 3,400, you're going to move over the 3,000 to the 10,000s, and the 400 to the thousands, and you get 34,000. And 8,000, you move over the 8 to the 10,000s to get 80,000. This is a standard we worked on already. This is a standard we're working on right now. The rest we'll go over tomorrow. Hope this video helped with finding the product and finding the difference.